Where the whole of the money there? The amount of man you give money for buy ring. The amount of Airbnb you going on. The big blood clot grey fridge where you buy the other day with the washing mat. Where the money them there? Dirty careless old fuck out long time war. Where the money there? And that me ask you. Dirty woman. Stop every day upon people and mind people business that not mind phone one. Every day you come, Shay. I have fucker now wine. No blood clad passport, you pity them not have. I have big bomber clad pitney and on a passport and on a passport. Dirty careless fuck out all war. Only ever mind my business and phone wanna spoil. Every day I tell you no come out a blood clad for my business card for me one set. Phone wanna set. He look bad. For a look dirty, careless, long time war. Make so much money, bring much in man in front of your pity them. Change your pussy to different blood clad size out. Give man how much in money for buy blood clad. Ring say them I engage you. You want married from when? From what picking from Jesus was a little boy you want married. No, you can't get married. Everybody have ring pan finger, you have ring in a mouth. Nobody know one wife a fucking old long time prostitute like a old bitch. Now have no bed, now no papers, now have nothing. You pity them now no bird paper. Who the fuck does that? A whole heap of people on TikTok wish them get the help like, oh, you get the blood clot help the pan ya. Cause you can't tell me say you don't make money pan ya. Whole heap of people on TikTok right now wish them get the help the way you get. The amount of help you get pan blood clot this year. Whole heap of people over here wish them would have get that help from people. Like how you get the blood clot help. I mean, no whole heap of people that be grateful for that help there. You buy man money, you buy man TV, you go meet man on a blood clot bathroom and TV, you go buy TV put in a man house and you not have none. You have half a bed, you take half and give me half. Big dirty careless woman. Go capture people blood clot land, go fix up house. Buy blood clot fridge and machine and left it there. Go and capture this blood clot house. I say walk and capture people blood clot land. You know say walk and move round so all fuck a latter. You capture wood, you capture house, you capture every you not capture your big pussy. Go capture some dentist and go capture some cleaning teeth. You sit down boy, you go shave head like nobody has some blood clot serve for your whore. Every time you class Jaden you come boy, you want come class. You can't class me dirty bitch. Cause whole heap of people over here try with you. You got non-progressive elements. Nothing about your dirty woman. Every day you come talk about people bad man. Bad man you for a bitch. Bad man you for a war for your pussy where you don't have fuck out. The way you fuck enough, me don't understand you. What for bad man you for? You never have pink in your wall much less. Bad man you for what? blood clot skin out your hole and a white me see. The pink gone out of your big hole. When you go use some paint and dash in there and wipe it out, or what people for bad mind you for? Your pH run left your balance. And that too for bad mind you for? And now you can't find your blood clot pH. And the balance alone your blood clot have left. What for bad mind you for? Every day you come talk about, and I'm pitting them, and I'm pitting them, I'm pitting them, I'm pitting them, I'm pitting them. Dirty, careless mama. And when you have them, you still feel them. Whore. You depend. Me never see somebody sit down and want praise. For take care of your own and pity them. Them not remember the good time. Them not remember how me take care of them. And I not remember when me send her go that the school there. Jaga not remember when me send him go there so. This, that. You're supposed to do it dirty, careless war. You're supposed to do it a few of them. And you fuck and bring them come here. Nobody did fast with them. And you fast with them. Them did them for them blood clot there. And you trouble them. And you trouble them. What you want for the prayers ever take care of your own blood clot pin them? For what? For what? What you pinning them for prayers there for? I fear them, I fear responsibility. Anything wherever they're supposed to do it. Every minute they talk about, and them this and them that. You're careless. You never do nothing in private yet. Me I say that woman is sick my stomach. She could end the live and go talk to you pinning them. So Jagga carry woman in here. And Chanel the inner my house. With the woman too. In my room. Alex. Say in here make Chanel carry woman in my room. And everything we have to catch upon live. Everything happen. Live. We're tired of bumbo clot, yo. Live. Everything alive. And you not even know said embarrassing. Nothing can do after the blood clot live without a pussy clot. No, everything alive. Live. Everything alive. You not even know so them someday what you do, you embarrass your bumbo clad family. As what you say. Every time I bring down my family. And me love my family. And you are bring down your own bumbo clad family. You fucking dunce. Cause last time I check his family. And you alone build a word, the family. I don't realize say you are bring down your own pitney them. Nobody now bring down nobody. You are bring down your own bumbo clad pitney them. When you take a drink bang them and go on with them. You over here class people tell people about who sell pussy from who no sell pussy. And the last time we check, man fuck you now your body all the pan. Take it, Annie, take it. Is a batty man shit up your wall? You not supposed to class nobody over here. Remember shit a walking at you. Remember where my drop out of your wall. No class nobody over here, so. You're not in a no position for class nobody over here, so. Cause remember Congo where my drop out of you. You fuck shit off a cock and you suck shit off a cock. You all of your mouth shit out. Shit a latter, you just shit up. Everything shit. And it's embarrassing. If you know say somebody have a mama like you. Every minimum mama walk a fuck like she mad. Peer different man. Every man you meet you suck good. One tear. You suck too much to that, you suck shit. You're not tired. All rotten datten. You suck till you suck shit. Everywhere you do your walk I use. Every man you fuck and you use your mouth pan them. You know see what they know? All rotten datten. You suck till you suck shit. That with blood clot hold you. That for sure you have to keep your mouth to your blood clot. Not too sucky. You suck till you suck shit. All rotten datten. Avoid me, bitch. Avoid blood clot me. It's embarrassing for you pin them have one mama like you. And you think it cute. Miss Bling and Cat. Zoe? Where is Zoe? Zoe, come here. Zoe? Your mother is going through a hard time. Please to take care of her. Right now, she need you guys. She need all of you by her side. See, Zoe, One thing Zoe I think about is for fuck. She business about you. Yeah, me I hear you. Zoe never care in the world in her blonde wig. Never care in the world. Zoe care? Zoe just had to show Miss Bling and say she not care. Cause all Zoe I think about is her bite man. Or figure the stamina in the night there. Last as fuck. You think Zoe care? In her blonde wig. Favor Miss Datsy. You think she business? All the pity them tired of you. Me a smarty pitney to me speak on anything. Suck your mama and come off from my life. Me a smarty pitney to why you speak on me, I speak on blood clot you.